Today we put the last two bikes in our second showroom in Uden, the Netherlands. And if you are in the Netherlands, you can visit us here. The Ford F100 1958 with the Kawasaki H1A 500 and the KH125 1977. The Honda Black Bomber 1976. The VFR 750. The RC30, beautiful. Then the small 400 NC30. RGV 250. Aprilia Chesterfield and K1, the Diablo Nero 250 and another NC30 in beautiful red black. The office RD350 completely done. GT380 1973 model. Very nice. A beautiful GS1000S West Coulee. 1979, original paint, original exhaust. The only thing is not original is the mirrors, but we have another pair. Then this beautiful Kawasaki Z1 1973. Top condition. Suzuki GT 750 1976. This black beauty, the BMW R60/5 from 1973. Drum brakes, beautiful in black. Look, all details. A very nice GS 750, original exhaust. Engine looks real clean. Paintwork is new, done by us. CB 750 Honda K1 1971. Original exhaust. Paintwork is new, but it's very, very nice. Honda Super Sport. But this one is special with the 4-in-4 exhaust. I also have one in 4-in-1 original. But this is in top condition. A beautiful Kawasaki Z1 1977. First owner bike with history. Original exhaust. And then, of course, the Widowmaker Kawasaki H2 750 Mark IV 1972. Beautiful bike in this candy gold color. So we have a lot of nice bikes over here, and at our shop in Someren-Eind in the Netherlands we have another 120, 130 bikes in stock. So this is just a part of the collection we have for sale. If you are interested in one of the bikes or want to visit us or just have a video call, just let me know and we can make an appointment. You can also walk in here. In Uden we are open Tuesday all week, also Sunday. You can have lunch here It's great. A lot of special cars. Also, very nice place to visit. Well, so I have a bit of an idea of the second showroom in Uden. Maybe we can see you there. Thank you. Bye bye.